All right, guys. Hello, welcome. This is day 38, and it's the 2nd July, Thursday, and let's get right into it. So, I'm currently in a little bit of losses in euro yen. So, 37 cents of losses right now. Not a big issue, but more importantly, we must be right on the lines, the direction that we played out. It should play out, but we'll go through that later in a bit. So yesterday I talked about in the review, we can look at gold in terms of the divergence that was setting up. So and boom, look at that. There is a drop in this what do you call it? This play, right? So it went down. So nice. So that could be pretty nice profits, right? Depending on what when you enter. So the high and the low 1789, 1759. So even if you go in at the center at say 17, so it's easily a $15 profit, maybe, depending on what time you enter. So pretty nice, pretty nice. Um, would I get out of this trade? Um, I feel like I should. I feel like it's good to get some profits. I would scale it out, meaning if I buy three, I'll get out two and let one ride, and then move my stop loss to break even. So that way I can have zero risk for my third contract, which is the one that I am left running with, and will never lose money on the trade. So that will be something that, of course, there'll be a chance that you make lesser, but I think it's good to trade that way in the long run. So yeah, that's my take. Let me know if you have a better strategy to take profits. I'll be happy to learn as well. The next one is the loonies, to wait out another 2 days before we can trade it out. So to short. So let's see. Okay, so it's yeah, still within the. Still gotta wait for a bit. Okay, so let's start. Um, so the good thing is trend is up. Red line is starting to flatten out, and there's somewhat of a higher low mid here. So pretty nice. I would look to buy, but let me see. It looks pretty good in terms of the picture. So over the next 5 days, we could look in a situation where it could go high. It could start making some waves. So, trend is pretty okay. Trend is pretty strong over the next 5, 10, 15, 20, maybe the next 1 month or so. So it's just whether we should enter the trade with an expectation that this will start to turn up. So let's see. I just want to see if there's a margin of error for this come. So if price stays around here, this will turn up. So we should look to buy. So let's buy. Okay. So and then stop loss wise, this is the immediate stop loss, which is the low of this. But for trade to really go very wrong would be somewhere over here. That's like totally wrong. So we could put somewhere in between this and this. So let's just say around here. Let's just put the stop loss say around here. 0.674. I think that's pretty good. 0.674. 0.674. Okay, so 0.674. So that will be our stop loss, and let's go. Boom. Okay, great. So we bought some stuffs today. Aussie dollar. We need to review as well. So we bought it. Right. Great. Next, cotton. Wait, let me just double check my stop loss. It's good. Yeah, so it's below this one. The next stop loss will be around here, so we don't need to take so much risk. We just need to take somewhat in between. I think that's fine. And as well as we can see, there's some kind of a resistance level over here, so it's not too bad. Yeah, I see. So you can see there's a little bit, there's good support over here, touch back, and then it keep tested, as well as here. So there's a pretty good, it's a pretty good line. It's a pretty good line. And wow, look at this, it stopped right here. So pretty good line, pretty good line. So we'll hold it there. Okay, next, cotton. Did we miss the trade on cotton? Let's see, let's see. Did we miss the trade on cotton? Did I put anything on cotton that we should buy? Because it jumped pretty high up. So we missed that trade. So let's see. We need to review cotton in terms of why we missed the trade. Yeah, pretty sad thing that we missed it out. Yeah, so it was within the margin of error actually for it to kind of like start turning up. So we missed it. A pity. Oh yeah, I did want to buy. Yeah, right. Did I? Yeah, but in the end, I just didn't put on because the margin was too high. So okay. Now I recall. Okay. Anyway, no choice. We just gotta move on. But if you guys want to buy, let's see. Trend is up, red line is up, blue line is up, so all three lines showing it's pretty high up and it's on a recent high. So very strong uptrend. No reason to take out profits, no reason to not basically we can look to buy some more. um, yeah, but just because it's uh, making such a big high, gotta be careful if you want to enter. I think entering is not wrong. We have a strong trend coming up, so very nice. I think you continue, you could even continue moving upwards. That's my take. So let's see, right? Okay, euro yen, we're in the trade right now. Got a bit choppy. Trend is up, and then red line is starting to turn up. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. And then it will start to move up, and then we should look at a boom. Let's see. So I'll still hold on the trade. I think it's a pretty good trade take on. Euro dollar, trend up, red line is down, but making it a little higher low over here. So the lines are starting to look like it's changing a lot. So this kind of looks like we can take a trade as well. So yeah, because of the margin of error for it to start turning up if price stays around this area. So yeah, let's go with a trade for this, because we do see that the red line will start to turn on within the margin of error, just like the cotton. It looks very similar. So, and stop loss wise, let's see. We will look at a stop loss. This is the first level of stop loss. Might flush it out, but I think we don't want to take that as a stop loss, first stop loss. But the next stop loss is probably around here, somewhere around here actually. So there's one line around here. So we could look to actually put our stop loss somewhere around, yeah, here. Let's just do the close of this green bar, which is 1.1179. 1.1179. Okay, let's do that. Let's see how much is it. 1.1179. 1.1179. Oh, that's a very small stop loss. $4. Okay, am I doing correctly? Yeah, I mean, this is low, right? Wait, 1.1179. Okay, so it's just somewhat a little bit lower than this, so that's not the line that we want to look at. Let's look for the next one. It should be somewhere around here. Let's do this then. The close of this would be 1.1141, 1.1141, 1141. Okay, so 1.1141 is somewhere around this. So let's buy. Okay, cool. So we bought euro, right? And let's see how things goes from here. So over the next couple of days, we expect, because it will take off the lines over here, and if price continues to move from this around this direction and hovers around here, we should look at an opportunity to actually buy. So therefore, because the red line will start to turn up due to the taking off the lower numbers, so we could look to buy. So that's pretty interesting. Okay, good. um, Pound yen flat, I'll skip. Pound dollar, uh, flat, I'll skip as well. Gold trend is up, red line is up, we could look to buy. But there was a bearish divergence, so could look to get some profits if you guys have not taken out, and like just what I mentioned as well. So just wondering if I should look at buying this. If would I buy? That's the question, right? So um, I think the answer is no, because over the next couple of days, you'll take off these numbers. It doesn't take much for the red line to start to turn down. So I think it's not the best looking trade in terms of the lines perspective. So I'll just skip this. I think it's not gonna turn out well. It looks like it's gonna come down more than anything and then start chopping again. So I may be wrong, but let's see. Heating oil trend is starting to turn up. Red is flat, blue is up. So no opportunity. We're gonna skip that and don't see the red line is turning up anytime soon. Natural gas is flat, so we'll skip. And then loonies trend is down. And well, red is flat, blue is flat, and as it takes off these higher numbers, so we want to see a bit more before we can look to short. So nothing, not at the moment. Yeah, so we just gotta wait it out a bit more. So awesome, we made quite a bit of put on a bit of trades today, and look at this, it's all red. Oh no, but it's okay. I mean, that's how trading is. You just gotta let the lines and the price and a bit of time play out. So it's not like we're gonna buy and sure we make profits. So just gotta wait it out. All right, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.